Mama, Mama, go there.
Hello, little princess. How are you? I'm the Count. Aren't you scared being with this skeleton? No? I can't believe it. Skeleton's scaring me. Can I hang out with you? All right, let's see. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Happy Halloween. Okay, why don't you take two or three pieces each. Don't be shy. There you go.
Is it like a flashlight or something?
That's okay. It's all good.
Thank you.
Trick or treat. Oh. Ah. This is not a tree. Our tree is on the other side. This is a different one.
That house now.
Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah?
We'll go there. When Mom stays. Look at the puppy.
Oh, I know.
You want some candy?
What do you think?
Happy Halloween.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Take some cake.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. Mama say thank you. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Yeah, let's go somewhere else. Let's go.